Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the hood and securing it so nothing shifts while you work. Once done, visually locate the round pushpin clips that anchor the liner. These sit in plastic retainers. Use a small flat pick or thin flat screwdriver to pry up the central pin head just enough to release tension and protect painted surfaces with a cloth. The reason is simple. Lifting the pin removes axial pressure, converting a stuck fastener into a removable retainer without breaking the liner. Once the center pin is raised, slide a panel pry or needle nose under the retainer head and pull straight up. Avoid angling to prevent widening the hole. Make sure to work methodically row by row so the liner stays supported. If it droops, have a second hand hold the liner while you remove clips. You do this because most failures occur from levering sideways. A direct pull preserves both the retainer and the liner mounting holes for reinstallation. To finish, collect every removed clip and inspect stems for splits. Reuse only intact ones and replace any damaged retainers with identical pushpin types. Make sure the liner holes aren't stretched. If they are, fit a new retainer with a slightly larger base or use a backing washer. If a clip refuses to move, lift the pin fully, then as a last resort cut the head off to remove the body. Afterward, replace that location with a new clip so the liner secures properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.